This truffle dessert is going to be a hit when you serve it. Take a pan and add 395 grams of condensed milk. Then add 150 grams of powdered milk. Stir well until incorporated. Next, add 30 grams of cornstarch and 450 milliliters of milk. Now, mix continuously for about 10 minutes. At this point, add 200 grams of heavy cream. Stir it in. Once you reach this texture, we'll transfer it to a bowl. Stir to prevent lumps. Now in another bowl, add 200 grams of chocolate and melt it in the microwave for just 1 minute. Perfect, stir it. Add 200 grams of heavy cream. Fold it into the chocolate. Now we're going to take a serving dish and add the chocolate at the bottom. We're doing it this way, but you can decide. Then, just add the cream we prepared initially. We'll assemble it in layers. Add a portion. Add more chocolate. Another layer of cream. Another of chocolate. Cream again. And the chocolate, spread it around to mix lightly with the cream. Now just refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. And there you have it, our creamy truffled milk dessert, a showstopper to serve and sure to earn everyone's compliments. And what about you? Did you like it? Tell us in the comments, and feel free to suggest your favorite dessert for us to bring here for everyone. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, just leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more. See you next time.